What a beautiful day here in the BREN GUIAO Convention Center here in San Fernando, Pampanga. We are live here in the Sinag Liga Asya Junior World Showcase Delta Cup. This is Nico Arsiaga and I am with the adorable Martin Daes. Martin, ang ganda ng matchup natin.
Nix, this is the matchup we have been waiting for. Two of the powerhouse teams of Sinag Liga Asya.
Game at hand, we have the FABLLI New York versus the Familia Washington, D.C.
Battle of the East Coast. We got Washington, D.C. going up against the tri-state area, New York.
Yes, sir. Let's go. First possession will go to Familia, D.C. 2 points agad.
Oh, great
for Manuel.
length. Great length being shown there by John Paul Manuel of Familia, D.C.
Dito natin makikita if Speedy is for real.
Oo.
Together with Shane and Julian.
Maganda rin yung matchup dito nila Toga at ni Ethan
Oo.
Lakindanum.
Here's Julian. Layup is node. Nugget. Yes, sir.
Great effort on the boards there from Nugget.
A story for the ages. It is between the Familia DC against the FABLLI New York.
Great move there from Latoga. The Pinoy step to the floater.
Wow!
Nice move there from Lakindanum and Armario doing the cleanup job.
Martin, anong tingin mo ang at least kahit dalawang keys of the game for both teams?
So I think for Familia DC, we know what they want to play. They want to run fast and they want to get stops. So definitely on the defensive end, they're going to want to cause some havoc. For FABLLI, on the other hand, of course, it boils down to the three-headed monster. Obviously, the Lakindanum cousins and Julian Caldejon are going to be a vital part here for FABLLI. But of course, also, I think the second key for them is going to be bench production. Can they get some points from their supporting role here?
Oo, tama ka doon. Kaya siguro nilagay na nila sa bench position si John Villanueva. He will not be starting for this game.
As Shane gets fouled in a three-point shot, and you do not want to see this guy get hot. Shane Lakindanum dropping 7 threes in the last game.
That's the first personal foul for Kyle Sunga.
Kita mo rin sa, kumbaga sa air na parang may level of tension din
tension,
no?
Sa excitement yung ano dito, yung mga tao. Second free throw is good for Shane Lakindanum.
And great coaching matchup as well. We got Joe B. Caldejon going up against Anthony Pineda.
Here's Anthony Pineda. That's Coach Mike Pineda.
Okay,
baliktad.
okay. Sorry. My bad, coach. Akala ko pangalan mo, Anthony.
Here's a good matchup. And Speedy Lakindanum and Spitfire guard, Anthony Pineda. Score is 7-6. Dito natin masusubukan si Speedy.
Oo.
Speedy,
Great dump-off pass.
Here's Miko. Yes, sir!
Solid talaga si Miko Armario. When he's heads in the game and he's in the ball game, he can really do some damage for FABLLI.
Grabe. Good.
I love this matchup.
Yes.
With Anthony and Speedy.
Here is Anthony for three. Short.
Anthony
Julian.
Pineda coming off 2 player of the games too.
Nice pass to Armario.
Beautiful pass from Julian Caldeon. Great
Julian
start as
Caldeon.
well for Armario.
Yes.
6 points kaagad.
The score is 11-6. Ang ganda ng laban. First quarter pa lang yan. We still have 3 more quarters to go. We have 5 minutes remaining in the
Masyadong
first
malayo yung passing ni Kyle
quarter.
Sunga. And this is really gonna be the first time that Kyle Sunga is gonna be matched up with a rather bigger player than him in Armario.
Dito natin malalaman kung gaano ka-ready si Kyle Sunga. Pero right now, ang binabantayan na si Shane eh. Tingnan natin on the offense. Here's Miko Armario, jumper, no good. Villanueva, no good for the putback.
See here, Boholano. Si Boholano din, crucial part din talaga siya ng pamilya DC. He just provides the intangibles for this team.
You got Boholano splitting the D. Good defense by Miko. Here is Anthony Bordre. No good. Shane Lakindanom with the rebound.
See what
Speedy
does
Bordre.
here.
Short. Sabi ni Julian, okay lang yun. Brother, tumira ka na ng tumira.
I mean, they live and die by the performance of this big 3 of FABLLI New York.
We got 4 minutes and 15 seconds remaining.
Mapapalaban din dito sila Toga. Matchup niya, Julian Calderon, a premier defender as well for FABLLI New York.
Yes. Here's Anthony Pineda with a layup.
Beautiful. Same hand, same finish, just floating it off the glass. Anthony Pineda.
What a matchup. Anthony Pineda against Ethan Lakindanom. Here's Shane. Meron 2-3 defense ang pinapakita ngayon ng pamilya. Here is Shane. To Speedy. Speedy reverse layup. No good. But there's the putback.
John Leon Villanueva is just a monster on the boards.
John Villanueva.
Here comes Boholano.
Boholano. To Sunga. Short. Now we go back to the other side. Here's Julian. To Speedy. Here is Speedy. Kicks it out. Oh no! What a
beautiful no-look pass there.
Kahit ako na fake. Ni Speedy.
Ang galing ng mga look-off ni Ethan.
Oo. Ang sasabihin ko na a kick out pass to his cousin. Pero kay Armario pala ang punta ng bola.
We've seen Kyle Sunga here be a little tentative on the offensive end, settling for jumpers. I'd want to see him get it downhill a little bit more if he wants Amelia to get in this ball game.
Yes, tama ka dyan. But for now, there is Miko missing the first free throw for the FABLLI New York. Second throw is good.
So Armario converting on the second there. He actually got ejected of the last game, so I'd love to see him stay composed in this battle against Familia.
Here is McLaren for 2.
Si McLaren Latoga, wala din tong takot eh.
Again, siya isa sa mga nagpapanalo kanina. With the one fantastic layup. Score is 14-10. Here is Julian Bordre. That's long. And here is Shane Bordre. Butter!
Shane Lakindanom.
And he looks at the panel.
Shane Lakindanom, hand in his face, doesn't matter. Gets the 3 to fall.
Sinabihan ko siya kanina, pag nakashoot ka ng 3 points, barilin mo kami. Pero grabe ang niya, focus.
A little bit of a gamble there by Shane.
Here's the rebound.
Luckily the missed 3 for Boholano.
And here's the rebound for Armario.
Crucial din talaga si Miko Armario for the success of FABLLI New York.
Here's Julian Bordre. Butter!
Julian Calderon. Looks like a pro out there.
20-10.
Such a steady force for FABLLI.
FABLLI up by 10 points. Here's Latoga. McLaren, one dribble pull-up. No good. Here's the rebound for John Villanueva.
Here comes Ethan Lakindanom.
Julian. Here's Ethan again. Ethan. One more dribble to Shane Bordre. Butter!
It's gonna be a long night for Familia DC.
Wow!
If FABLLI New York continues on this 3-point barrage.
Yes, sir!
Parang hindi pa nauubos si Shane Lakindanum.
Shane Lakindanum for three. 23-10.
Such a beautiful shot.
And we have a timeout for the Familia Washington DC. Magbabalik po ang SLA Junior Showcase.
Project Clothing Shop has been a sublimation company for a long time. We have evolved by proving quality and top-notch products for our customers. The design jerseys are carefully examined and printed in a quality machine that produces a fast printing, the biggest machine in the printing industry. In the sewing section, all the sewing experts use quality thread, needles and machine to make the product good-looking and durable. We customize clothing and sportswear in full sublimation. What are you waiting? Visit us now.
We are now back to the ball game as Shane Lakindanum catching fire for the Familia. Oh, sorry, for the FABLLI New York.
Hindi pa nauubos yung bala ni Shane Lakindanum.
Mukhang naka-only ammo to.
Only amo ata siya ngayon.
We have 1 minute and 30 seconds remaining in the first quarter.
If Familia DC wants any chance of winning this game, Anthony Pineda and Kyle Sunga are gonna have to step up in the scoring department.
Tama ka dyan. Kailangan 2 feet forward itong dalawan to ngayon. Kasi right now, the three-headed monsters are on a roll.
Oo.
For FABLLI New York. That's a turnover for
Careless pass there from Ethan Lakindanum.
and for that, let's turn it over to our courtside reporter, Francine.
Nico and Martin, I have another fan fact for you guys and their viewers. Cousins Ethan and Shane Lakindanum have been playing with each other since they were kids, and I asked them both how it feels to play with each other internationally, and they said it's really such a special feeling to share the court with your family and doing great things whether on and off the court. Now back to you, Nico and Martin.
Oo, napakasarap sa pakiramdam. Maraming salamat for that report, Francine. Napakasarap sa pakiramdam na ang kasama mong mag-basketball and actually you're winning is yung kamag-anak mo.
Oo.
Siyempre napagkikwentuhan yan sa bahay.
Sa mga reunion,
mga
diba?
reunion. And for that, tingnan natin kung ano magiging development ng laro to. Here's Julian fumbling. There's Anthony. Anthony fakes to Bohlano. Layup, no good!
Short on the layup. Sorry, missed there.
That's a traveling for Shane. Sayang. We have 20 seconds to go. 25 to 10.
Grabe yung intensity sa larong ito.
Grabe. Mabalik tayo dun sa layup kanina. Came from a steal si Speedy. Siya na rin ang nagbaba at siya na rin ang lumayup.
Oo.
For the 25th point of FABLLI New York.
Grabe din yung vertical jumping capabilities ni Ethan Lakindanum.
Now we have Anthony Pineda up top.
What a
against,
matchup.
Speedy. Drop pass. Manuel. Yeah. Sorry. That's not
Beautiful
Manuel.
shot there from Delarama. Oh, my mistake.
It's
Jefferson
Mao.
Miao.
That's it for our first quarter. 25 to 12. FABLLI New York leading by 13 points. Here are your first quarter highlights.
Ethan Lakindanum is just a maestro at the point guard. Even when he doesn't have his shot falling, he's able to find all of his teammates, get them going.
Oo, tama ka dyan. At isang malaking bagay dito na hindi pa pagod.
Oo,
Si Speedy.
No? I mean, all of them still look fresh, and this is the second
Look
game.
at the celebration of Shane. At ulit, babalik po kami with some reminders.
Sobrang bilis ba? Yan ang bilis ng FiberX. Yan ang internet.
Kyle Sunga says that his main motivation to play a good game is the energy he gets from his teammates. He said that they feed off of each other's energy. When one is playing good, everyone else plays good. And another secret to keeping his consistency, in his words, are the 3 C's: to stay calm, cool, and collected. Now back to you, Nico and Martin.
Ayan, isa yan sa dapat matutunan ng isang player is the consistency. Kailangan natin maging consistent on everything we do. Here is Speedy with the layup. No good. Medyo malalim na yung hugot sa bench si Coach Mike.
Oh, digging deep here, trying to find a spark off the bench.
Oh, what a rebound by John Villanueva. Here's Julian. To Speedy. Here is Kobe. Kobe turns. There's a steal by the Familia DC. Oh, what a fake! Good fake by Anthony Pineda. A fly-by move.
Anthony Pineda has to get going here for Familia DC.
Oo. Kailangan na kailangan siya dito. Here is Kobe. Grabe yung ano natin, game natin.
Oh. Kobe Urbina also providing some good minutes here for Coach Joby.
Yes. Makikita natin, nagpahinga muna si Shane Lakindanom. Yes, we would like to send sa mga ano natin, mga visitors. Si CEO and President Ray Alaw and the Chairman Rocky Chan. Live sila dito, nanonood.
Big shout out to both of them, of course. Such a vital part of Sinag Liga Asya Junior World Showcase.
And I would like to take this opportunity to thank them for getting us to cover these games. Kami ni Martin.
It's been a true pleasure.
Yes.
What a shot from Deschembre. Rising above the defense and knocking down that mid-range jumper.
Sean Decembre.
Napansin ko lang, Nico, medyo passive dito si Kasunga. Love to see him get going here.
Hindi pa siya nakakagawa. Here's Julian for three!
What a shot from Julian Calderon. Lay it on a piece of bread.
Wow. Julian. 28-16 as FABLLI New York are up by 12 points.
Here's Kyle Sunga.
Here's Kyle Sunga. Block by Miko Armario.
I'd love to see Kyle Sunga try and get downhill, create some options for his team.
Here's Miko to Migs. Ignacio for three. No good.
Armario relentless on the boards.
Yes, but it's a turnover for the FABLLI New York. Here is, oh, what a fake!
Beautiful move from
Wow!
Anthony Pineda. Faking out the whole team. Getting saucy with it.
Yes. Sabi ni Anthony, hindi naman pwedeng kailangan laging bida.
Oh.
Kami din. Here's Speedy.
Pare.
Julian. For three. Block!
What a block.
But it's a foul on Sean Decembre.
I thought it was all ball from Deschembre.
Wow.
Parehas yung disposition ni Anthony Pineda at ni mga Lakindano cousins no?
This is your CDO last drive of the quarter. CDO, food that brings you home. Grabe.
Yung Euro step na yun, galing Washington pa yun
Oo. Pero dahil local si Anthony Pineda, umuwi siya dito para i-showcase yung kanyang talent. There's Julian. Second free throw is good. Score is 29-18.
Julian Calderon just provides that silent leadership for FABLLI New York. So consistent. Checking back into the game is Shane Lakindanon giving a rest to his cousin Ethan.
Here is McLaren we have Kyle now up top.
Love to see him
ni
get
Armario
downhill.
left. There's a good block.
He's been settling for the jump shot a little bit too
Sean.
much.
No good. Recovery for the Familia, Washington, D.C.
Great effort there from Medroso.
30-20 in favor of FABLLI New York. Now, ang nagpahinga naman si Speedy. Here's Sean. Sean passes back to Julian for three.
Can't leave him that open.
No good. Here's Miko working hard for that rebound. But Kyle Sunga secures it. Here's Anthony.
Great.
Tingnan natin gagawin ni Anthony dito.
Grabe din yung pressure defense ni Julian Calderon.
Here's McLaren for 3. Short. Now we got a leak out.
That's easy pickings for Shane.
Shane with the layup.
It's just so easy for the three-headed monster of FABLLI.
Score is 32-20. We have a timeout by the Familia. Washington, D.C.
Shane Lacandanom. Just
Babalik po kami
easy
dito
work
sa Sinag Liga Asya Junior World Showcase. We are now back to the ball game as FABLLI New York are up by 12 points. Grabe.
Grabe yung laban. Let's see if Sunga can start leaving his mark on this ball game here. A little
wala pa
passive.
siya, hindi pa
to
siya
start.
nararamdaman. Here's Kyle. Turns. We have Meow. Meow scrolls over, pull up, foul.
Great move there from
by
Meow.
Migs Ignacio.
Meow aggressive to start this ball game for Familia DC and head coach Mike Pineda.
Grabe. Isa lang masasabi ko sa larong to, high octane
Oo.
ang larong to.
Pero kahit na ang taas ng intensity, when you look at just the big three of FABLLI, parang wala lang sa kanila eh, no?
Oo.
I mean, that's what 10 years of playing together will give you.
Yes. Now we have 3 minutes and 3 minutes and 55 seconds remaining in the second quarter. Score is 32-21. Here's Shane up top. Humingi ng screen kay Miko. Here's step back. Short.
A little bit of a forced shot there from Shane.
Here is Sean.
What a
Layup.
move!
Offensive foul for Sean Desembre.
I know he extended that elbow a little bit, but then
Good strong move.
I thought it was a strong move as well.
Ito yung replay.
A little bit of that extension there.
Kitang-kita kasi hindi naman tumama si Sean eh. Here is Miko Armario.
This has turned out to be a great matchup.
Miko, offensive foul
Binawi.
din.
Binawi ng ref.
Offensive foul din. Miko Armario
Oh.
dealing his first personal foul.
I think for Kyle Sunga, he plays best in the open court. So for him, he's gonna have to try and get some stops and get on the break. Nahihirapan siya sa half-court set eh.
Actually, kasi kailangan magkaroon ng contribution si Kyle dito sa laro na to.
Eh, kailangan din ng konting buwelo eh.
Actually, if not, lulubo itong lamang ng FABLLI New York.
Hopefully these 2 free throws here get Kyle Sunga going for Familia DC.
Three-man substitution for the FABLLI New York. Speedy and Nugget will come in for the FABLLI New York.
Great work din yung pinakita ni Miko Armario.
Kailangan niya muna magpahinga for now. Kyle Sunga misses the second free throw. Here's Shane. Shane, layup! No good!
Good contest there by Anthony Pineda.
Oo. Kahit maliit si Anthony, nagawa niya i-contest yun. And there's a foul on Shane.
Just a 10-point lead here
Lacandanom.
for FABLLI. Anything can happen. Still a
Yeah.
long ball game.
But for me, they need to cut this lead at least at 5 points before the halftime para hindi masyadong mataas ang hahabulin nila sa second half. And
My goodness. Number 23,
Meow.
Jefferson Meow starting to
What a
percolate here.
move! Grabe yun, binombo pa sa likod ng ulo.
binombo pa sa likod ng ulo eh, no? Meow, I love his aggressiveness for Familia DC.
Yeah. Oh, what a
Putting on the
move.
handles.
Nice pass!
And the dump-off pass. Ethan Lacandanom
Ethan Lacandanom
getting
showing
crafty with it.
all of his bag. Grabe naman yan. Here is Ethan, jumper!
Signature
Yes,
of the
sir!
house. Ethan Lacandanom. And to your point, Nico, you really never see Ethan get too high or too low. Lagi siyang
Oo,
relax lang.
relax lang. Never ko nakita ng nagreklamo yan or
Oo.
sumigaw. Here's a jumper. Good.
Beautiful move from Medroso, showing the range there.
Medroso with that short stab. Here's Shane. Shane, 1-2 step. No good.
Just
Medyo umalat na si
misses it.
Shane dito.
Oo.
Lumalayo si Shane sa playstyle niya eh.
So this is what Familia wants to do. They need to get stops and convert on the other end.
Yes, tama ka dyan. But here is Ethan. Stop jumper again. Short. Here's Nugget with the putback.
Just misses it.
Okay.
Looks like the coaches are going to want to use their challenge here.
There's a... Tignan natin kung
Looks like
challenge
they're
sila.
gonna
Okay,
use their
there's
one
a coach's
challenge.
challenge. Makita natin kung outside nga ba. Oh, uy!
Looks like it's going to stay probably ball from my
Oo.
perspective here. But of course, we're going to leave it to the officials.
Hindi kami pwede mag-decide. Hintayin natin yung replay. As FABLLI New York are up 36-26. Coach Joby will map out a play for the FABLLI New York.
What a game that we have here. Some high-octane offense. Again, this is our last game that we're covering. So I'm Martin Diaz, by the way, accompanied by baby boy Nico Arsiaga.
Oh my goodness, that nickname. Hindi ko alam kung bakit ko rin sinabi yun eh. But anyway.
Siguro kasi bro, hindi ko alam. Baka tawag sa'yo ng mga fans mo, bro.
Ay! Baby boy. Oh my God.
But it's been such a pleasure
Yes.
covering these games with you.
Ako din, sobrang, this is a core memory for me, Martin.
100% likewise, brother.
Here's the final review. The ball will stay with the FABLLI New York.
Great challenge there by Coach Joby. Just to clarify, each coach has one challenge
Yes.
per half that they can use.
Here's Speedy.
What a
Down the
move.
lane. Yes,
What a
sir!
move! By
For
Ethan
Speedy.
Lacandanom. Oh my goodness. When he gets to that mid-range spot, it's hard to stop. Ethan Lacandanom just showing the range here.
There's a foul of Meow.
And I think that's the biggest difference here. Familia DC, kumbaga, in all of their previous wins, they've been able to get under the skin of their opponent eh. Pero
Tama.
sa FABLLI, hindi talaga yan gagana eh.
Kaya feeling ko hindi kasi yung demeanor kasi ng team na to, hindi naman sila pumapatol eh.
Oo.
Here's Speedy.
What a
move.
fake.
No good. Here is McLaren to Sean. Sean, 1-2 step.
Great hands by Ethan.
Wow. Grabe, after this game, magpapapicture ako dito.
Grabe
Kay
si
Ethan.
Speedy.
Bago pa...
And you know, we've spoken to Ethan. He's also a very nice kid, very humble
Yeah,
and down to
oo.
earth.
Actually, hinihingin nga niya yung live last time eh, para lang daw mapanood niya yung ano.
Oo.
And that's the end of the first half as FABLLI.
It's been all FABLLI so far. They haven't found that spark
Yes.
on the Familia DC side.
FABLLI are leading 38-26. These are the highlights of the second quarter.
Desyembre trying his best to keep his team in it.
Yeah. Dito natin malalaman after the halftime kung paano ang mangyayari with the three-headed monster. Si Julian, si Sean, and si Ethan. Grabe. Ethan,
Ethan Lacandanom, just a hooper.
yeah.
at the root of it.
At the end of the first half, it's FABLLI New York 38-26. Magbabalik po ang Sinag Liga Asya Junior World Showcase Delta Cup.
Shop, premium fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform. J Project Clothing Shop, premium fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform.
Mga kasinag, panoorin ang salpukan sa mundo ng basketball. Watch the world play sa SLA Junior World Showcase sa July 17-21 sa Pampanga, Philippines. See you!
Yan na naman siya. Says, kalma lang tayo. Lamang tayo ng isa. There's a foul away from the play. Sandwich between two.
Sobrang bilis ba? Yan ang bilis ng FiberX. Yan ang internet.
J Project Clothing Shop has been a sublimation company for a long time. We have evolved by proving quality and top-notch products for our customers. The design jerseys are carefully examined and printed in a quality machine that produces a fast printing, the biggest machine in the printing industry. In the sewing section, all the sewing experts use quality thread, needles and machine to make the product good-looking and durable. We customize clothing and sportswear in full sublimation. What are you waiting? Visit us now.
Ako nga po pala si Justin Bautista ng Pampanga Delta. Tutok lang po kayo sa SLA Junior World Showcase.
Sa unang subo hanggang huli, parang kisa aking pisngi. Kain love, love talaga. Kahit di sabihin, feel na love kami. Kain love, love talaga.
Yan na naman siya. Says, kalma lang tayo. Foul away from the play. Sandwich between two.
Ako'y Daniel Pineda ng Pampanga Pradera Team Park. Tutok lang sa SLA Junior World Showcase.
Good afternoon, mga Kasinag. Before we continue to the second half of our game, I am joined by Ella Quintana and Bryce McKee for our halftime interview. Now, first of all, welcome to you both to Sinag, Liga, Asya, and to the Philippines in Pampanga. Now, my question to you, how has your experience been so far in Pampanga, and especially watching the SLA Junior World Showcase? Has it been good, exciting? What are your thoughts?
It's been pretty good so far. I like the community, and I've had a lot of fun watching so far.
Now, is there anyone you would like to greet and thank at home?
My cousins at home, Erica and Francesca. I wish they were here right now, so.
Thank you so much. Now, same question for you. How has your experience been so far in the Philippines, since I heard it's your first time, and also watching basketball? Has it been good and exciting? What are your thoughts?
I love basketball, and I've been having a great time watching. I'm hoping for a close game, maybe a buzzer beater or two. And yeah, it's been fun.
Thank you so much. Is there anyone you would like to greet and thank?
My mom, shout out my mom, love you. I don't know if she's watching, but that's fine. That's it.
Again, that is it for our halftime interview. Now back to the panel.
Our score is 38-26 as FABLLI New York are up by 12 points over the Familia Washington DC. As you can see, here is the highlights from the first half as the FABLLI New York's three-headed monster na si Ethan, Sean, and Julian was creating a havoc natin. Pero syempre hindi naman papatalo dyan ang pamilya Washington DC. Dito naman makikita natin after this is the halftime stats. As you can see, malaki talaga ang lamang in terms of rebounding and in terms of assist. Rebounding 24 for FABLLI New York. 10 lang sa Pamilya DC. So, kailangan talaga nilang mag-effort pa in terms of the rebounding. And for the assist, makikita natin na 8 assists to 1. So, most of the assists are coming from Speedy for sure. And for the scorers at the half, ayan, Martin, makita natin dito ang different leading scorers. So for both teams, we have Miko Armario with 10, Ethan with 9, Julian with 8, Shane with 5. And for Familia DC, we have McLaren with 6, Jefferson Mia with 4, Anthony with 3, and Medroso with 2. So
as you can see, balanced scoring attack from both teams.
Yes.
Miko Armario leading the way just with his effort and grit.
Diyan natin makikita kung magbabago ba ang play style or yung adjustment ng Familia DC.
So Nico, I actually just finished talking the head coach Mike Pineda. An interesting storyline here. So these two teams, Familia DC and FABLLI New York, have gone against each other multiple times over the past years. With Familia DC winning the championship in the Las Vegas tournament against FABLLI New York.
So we are building some rivalry between these two. But for now, lamang po ng 12 points ang FABLLI New York. And there's a rebound for... there seems to be a...
Sunga on the floor.
Sunga on the floor. Is Shane for Dre. No good.
Grimacing in pain. Hope he's alright. Gets back up.
Here's Miko Almario. Passing the ball. He gets the steal. No. Recovery for John Villanueva. Score is 40-26. For those who just tuned in, both teams are... Wala pa silang talo.
This is gonna be the battle for first.
Yes, this is the battle for first sa group nila. And the loser will go to the second. A good play for Kyle Sunga.
Hopefully this can get Kyle Sunga going for Familia DC.
Mas kailangan ng scoring niya dito.
So I spoke to head coach Mike Pineda about what adjustments he could make to try and get back in this game. And sabi lang niya, execution. So it seems like they've kind of gone away from the game plan here. Hopefully, they can listen to their head coach and capitalize on their already fluid na system eh.
Yes. And napapansin din natin na ang pamilya Washington DC will always rely on the system, not on the skills. So kailangan talaga magkaroon sila ng execution. And again, the ball stays with FABLLI New York. Here's another rebound. Putback is no good.
They were lucky on the miss there, but you cannot leave Julian Calderon that open.
Oo. Isa yan sa mga wag niyong gagawin sa mga makakalaban ng FABLLI New York. Here's another play.
Ill-advised pass there from Anthony Pineda.
Here's Villanueva spin.
Beautiful move.
Wow.
Everything but the finish for John
1
Villanueva.
million over. 50-cent finish for John Leon Villanueva. Now here is Bocolano for three.
Knocks it in. Big three from Bocolano. And just like that, it's a 9-point game, Neeks.
Sabi ko sa inyo, execution is key for this Familia, Washington, D.C.
Reckless foul there from GUIAO and Calderon. Speaking of FABLLI New York, we were talking about Nico a while ago, how they stay so composed. So I asked the assistant coach of FABLLI, what makes them so composed? And sabi nila, it's the countless years of international tournaments. Sanay na sila.
Oo. Isa yan sa mga that the best teacher talaga is the
experience.
Here's Julian. Jumper is no good. Medyo maalat na dito si Julian tsaka si Sean.
Oo.
With Speedy still sitting at the bench of FABLLI New York. Ganda ng laro na ito. Here is
short on the
attempt.
jumper there.
Sean Lakindanom, 2 points.
Si Shane Lakindanom talaga, right place, right time.
Score is 42-31.
This provides that steady pace for
Bocolano layup, no good.
Speaking of FABLLI New York, the assistant coach mentioned as well na binuo yung team nito with purpose.
Here's Sean with the layup, no good.
Kumbaga, yung local players, they hand-selected them to fit with the three-headed dragon.
Tama ka dyan. Now we have Bocolano to Anthony Pineda. Here's Pineda to Adrian Dizon. Here's Dizon, bump. Being patient. There's a foul on John Villanueva.
Great move there by Dizon. Ethan Lakindanom checking back in.
He's on. And here's another shot for Dizon. Second free throw is good for Mr. Dizon. Here's Speedy back in the ball game. Ayan na si Miko. Hinahanap na niya ang score niya.
Overshoots the first one.
Here is Shane. Fakes Shane. Drop pass to Nico Armario. Outside.
So I overheard from the bench of FABLLI New York. May nickname pala yung three-headed monster na.
Yan naman.
It's called LCL.
LCL.
Oo. For the Lakindanom Calderon connection.
Here is traveling for Julian Calderon.
Julian Calderon in disbelief there as he lost his footing.
Again, I want to shout out Julian's mom, who's watching here in the BREN GUIAO Convention Center.
And the rest of the Husay basketball.
Wow, what a move by
from GUIAO over in the tri-state area.
The lead is now down to 7 points. 42-35.
Here comes Familia DC. You cannot count them out.
Oh, nice pass. Blocked by Dizon.
Crucial din tong si Adrian Dizon for Familia DC. A great matchup for Nico Armario as well.
Yes, here's a layup. No good. Yes, sir.
Si Nico Armario, relentless talaga on the offensive boards.
Nico Armario. Here's McLaren. To Dizon. Dizon between the legs.
Great hands there by Jan Villanueva.
Jan Villanueva with the foul. Got Miao. To Latoga. Here's Latoga. Jumper.
That signature
Good.
mid-range jumper by Latoga.
Score is 44 to 37.
Nico Armario flirting with a double-double here. 12 points and 9 rebounds.
Here's Boholano. Extra pass to Miao. No good. Miao with the putback. Yes, sir!
I love the energy that Miao is bringing. Already with 9 points here.
Score is 44 to 39.
Let's see how FABLLI responds here with Speedy on the ball.
There's a
Reckless
steal.
pass there.
Very not Ethan yun.
Oh.
Pero again,
If you're FABLLI New York, you cannot get complacent here.
yes. Yun ang sinasabi ko kanina, dapat hindi sila maging kampante since this team are capable of running the break. We have a timeout at magbabalik po ang Sinag Liga Asya Junior World Showcase.
J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized, quality printing. Makers of quality uniform. J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized, quality printing. Makers of quality uniform.
We are now back to the ball game. Follow, like, and subscribe sa ating social media accounts. We have Instagram and Facebook, Sinag Liga Asya. And for YouTube and TikTok, we have the Sinag Liga TV. And for that, meron natang report si Francine.
For Coach Joby Caldejon, he says that their goal is still to end the eliminations at a 4-0 standing. Even if they're bound to the semifinals, they don't want to be complacent. Their goal is still to accomplish straight wins. And coming into the second half, their focus is keeping the consistency and playing basketball as one. Now back to you, Nico and Martin.
Thank you for that report, Francine. Isa yan sa dapat, I think, maganda yung sinasabi ni Coach Joby na they're going in sa semis na galing sa panalo kaysa galing sa talo.
100%. And for Coach Joby and FABLLI New York, they've always, from the get-go, the start of the tournament, they've had intentions of winning it all. And you can definitely see the intent in their players today.
Medyo inaalat si Shane ngayon. I mean si Sean. Shane.
Shane, yeah.
Ito
Cool down a little bit since
ito
the
pala
first
si Sean.
quarter. Grabe si Miao.
Miao with a magic bunot by Coach Mike.
Starting to really sizzle here for Familia DC.
And there's a turnover.
Second turnover for Ethan Lacandan. So unlike him.
Latoga. Here's Pineda for three. No good.
Just a 3-point game here. Let's see how FABLLI responds.
Here's Shane for three. Butter!
You cannot leave Shane Lacandanum open.
Shane Lacandanum, kahit magmintis pa ng 100 na sunod yan, titira pa rin yan.
Shane Lacandanum saying splash
Yes,
for FABLLI
sir.
New York.
Here is McLaren to D-Zone. That's a traveling. 47 to 41. You got 1 minute and 8 seconds remaining. Here is your Sunsport Lakas Tres of the quarter.
That's what you love about the squad. Kahit medyo lumamig na si Shane.
hinahanap pa rin siya.
He's open. He knows he's gonna take that shot.
Now we got Speedy with 20 seconds to work with. Julian to Villanueva.
See if he can get this spot here.
Here is Caldejon asking for a screen. Migo gives it.
That
Yes,
is
sir!
so tough. Such a tough shot from Julian Caldejon.
Julian Caldejon.
Rising above the defense.
Yes.
Parang signature shot na rin yun ni Julian Caldejon
Yung one dribble pull-up na yan. And here is Boholano with a shot fake.
What a tough shot. Exchanging tough buckets here, both teams.
49 to 43.
Got herself a ball game
yes,
here,
sir.
folks.
Meron na naman tayong magandang ikikwento. Pag-uwi ng Manila.
Oo.
Got
Julian
2
Calderon
seconds
asking for a clear out.
differential.
Hands it off to Speedy.
There's Speedy with 10 seconds to work with. It's going to be a turnover for Ethan Lakindanom.
Naninibago ako na nag-turnover si Ethan.
Medyo very unlikely
Oo.
for Ethan. Pero din natin, kailangan din natin mapansin na ang defense ni
Siyempre, no? Hounding defense talaga.
siya. We got 6.6 seconds remaining.
See what Meow does here.
Here's Meow.
Beautiful move by Meow. Oh my goodness, Meow.
At the end of the third quarter.
DI din pala si Meow eh, no? Dance instructor eh.
That's it for the third quarter. It is 49-45. FABLLI, New York, up by 4 points. Here's your third quarter highlights.
Of course, Villanueva providing that inside presence.
Yan, ang ganda ng pick and roll play. Ni Manuel and ni Kyle Sunga. And here is
but again,
Shane.
I think a major adjustment here for Familia. They've given so many wide open shots to the sharp shooters of FABLLI New York.
Nakukuha pa rin nila yung gusto nilang attempts And at the end of the third quarter, 49-45, magbabalik po ang Sinag Liga Asya Junior World Showcase.
Even with the reliable duo of Pineda and Sunga, Coach Mike is still hoping for more players to show up for his team because he believes that unable to keep up with New York, they would have to play very disciplined basketball while keeping their confidence. What a turnout of the game. Now back to you, the panel.
Yes. Kaya kailangan talaga yung confidence yan kahit saan larangan ng buhay.
I love this. Sorry to cut you off, Nix. I just love that pressure defense from the Shembre.
Pressure defense. That's the third straight turnover for Ethan Lakindanom. Medyo na na-hound siya ni...
Oo. Iba rin kasi yung pressure ng mga Pinoy eh.
Oo. Here is McLaren being hounded by Julian. Here is Latoga.
Marquee matchup din to. December versus Lakindanom.
Meow! Leob!
Meow has come up so big for Familia DC, willing his team back here.
49-45.
December with a high IQ play, selling the call a little bit, I think.
Yes. Making things happen for the Familia. Washington, D.C.
That's the first time I've ever seen Ethan Lakindanom get mad at a teammate. A little bit of frustration here on Ethan's part. Let's see what Familia DC is going to do, just 2 points away from completing their comeback.
Yeah, 9 minutes and 23 seconds. Madami pa.
Oo, malayo pa to. Just some unsung heroes for Familia DC.
Oo. Yung mga hindi mo aasahan na magic bunot pala.
Number 23, Jefferson Meow.
And ang turnover story natin, FABLLI New York with 13 turnovers.
Rare sighting too.
At dahil dyan, ang points of turnover ng Familia World DC is 13 points. And we are now tied at 49-49.
And going back to the keys of the game, that's what Familia DC does. They wreak havoc.
There's Julia with a daredevil drive. Wow.
Julian Calderon says, I got this, guys. Let's get things back in order.
I think Anthony Pineda is cramping up. Nandun siya sa gilid, hindi niya mailakad. Ayun, naninigas yung muscle. That's painful.
Kita mo talaga. valiant effort here from Anthony Pineda.
Yes.
That's all you can ask for, leaving it all out on the line. Obviously, all teams here with a pretty hectic schedule, sacrificing their bodies.
Julian Caldejon, second free throw is good. Scoreless 50-49. Kailangan na kailangan yan si Anthony.
Oo. Let's see if Latoga can step up here, command the helm.
Bench points for Familia of Washington DC is 25-6.
Caldejon, Julian Caldejon, inspiring his team on the defensive end, causing that 8-second call.
Oo. Sabi niya, I'll do it on defense.
Oo. And that's what you love about Julian, just leading by example all the time. For
Julian with the turnover. Here's Sean with the layup. Now, Familia DC.
Desyembre
are up.
is the
51-50.
Spark plug talaga si
Oo.
Desyembre.
Literal na spark plug.
Oo.
Grabe. Here's Kobe Orbina getting the ball. Passes back to Leon. No good. Ito,
Jan
medyo na
Villanueva with a
inaalat na.
couple missed shots here.
Here's Kyle. Disyembre.
See what Kalsuma does here.
Kyle Sunga. Passes to Medroso. One-hander is good.
Beautiful shot from Medroso. Correct read there.
53-50.
What a ball game.
Oo, grabe to. Julian Caldejon. Fouled by McLaren.
Let's see what Ethan Lacandanum does here to get his team back. 3-point deficit.
Here's your SM Southmore lakas assist of the quarter.
Beautiful shot there from Ethan Lacandanum. Just so steady, so reliable.
Kaya dikit pa rin ang laro natin dahil ang laki ng difference ng rebounding ng FABLLI New York sa Familia DC. Here's Julian. Julian down the lane. Spins. Yes, sir!
This guy is a pure scorer. My goodness.
I can see the face of Julian's mom. Sobrang proud.
Julian Caldejon.
Here's Kyle.
There's a reason he's in Division 3.
Kyle, step back. Dirk Nowitzki shot, no good. There's Sean. Yes, sir!
Si Desyembre talaga, sobrang ang laki ng effort ni Desyembre for Familia. DC just coming up clutch.
Desyembre, nagpakilala sa July.
Oo, grabe.
Here's Speedy. Speedy layup. No good.
Great defense by Desyembre.
Wow, what a patient defense.
We've seen
the discipline of Sean Desyembre.
We've seen Kalsuma settle for a lot of jump shots here.
Here's Kyle again. Rebound.
Narinig na ata ako.
Butter!
Sabi niya, kala mo, Martin, wala akong shooting, ha?
Butter for Kyle Sunga.
Kyle Sunga proving me wrong.
From 58-54.
Largest lead
Here's
of
Julian
Familia.
Yeah, no good. But there's a foul by McLaren Latoga.
Alam mo si Julian Caldejon, it's like the lead doesn't faze him at all.
Ang iniisip no lead is safe.
Oo.
Yan. For those who are watching at home or at work, may jump shooter, bibigyan nyo ng landing spot. Now we got Anthony Pineda checking in for the Familia DC.
What a warrior.
Yeah. Sabi niya kay Martin, okay lang ako.
Oo.
Huwag niyo ako isipin, maglalaro ako.
Sa bagay, kapampangan din ton si Anthony Pineda.
Laban yan.
Oo. The crowd really getting into it now.
And I wanna give a shout out to Governor Dennis Delta Pineda for supporting the Sinag Liga Asya Junior World Showcase Delta Cup 2024.
I also want to give a big shout out to everyone watching from New York, New Jersey, Washington. We truly appreciate you to see this exciting ball game. Familia DC up just 1 point, 57-58. This matchup almost giving playoff vibes eh.
Oo,
No,
playoff
Nix?
vibes. Kasi madadala nila nito sa next round eh.
Oo, battle
And-
for first to.
And yung next round natin, crossover match. So
Oo.
hindi rin nila kilala yung makakalaban nila.
Oo.
Hindi nila nakalaro. Here is Dizon. Traveling for Dizon.
It's the second one on Adrian Dizon. Has to be careful with that pivot foot.
Adrian Dizon losing the opportunity. 57 to 58.
Caldejon smelling blood here a little bit.
Caldejon with 16 points. Now we have Shane Lakindano with 10. No good.
Medyo pinilit
Lord,
niya yung tira na yun.
He
See what Latoga does here.
Na-warningan siya for faking a foul.
Oo.
I got 5 minutes. There's a
Beautiful
split.
pass from Kyle Sunga
Yes.
to Adrian Dizon. Kyle Sunga now is settling into the game, making the right plays. And that's what we needed to see from him for Familia DC.
Yes. Ang ganda nun. Yung split ng ng screen na yun for Adrian Dizon. Nakabawi agad siya. Here's Caldeon. Jumper. Long. And that's a foul on Anthony Pineda. Grabe. Sobrang alaga namin dito sa Sinag
Sobra
Liga
talaga.
Asya Junior World Showcase. May merienda pa kaming sopas.
Oh, thank you so much to the
There's
staff
Speedy.
here.
No good.
Here
Kyle
comes
Sunga.
Kyle
will
Sunga.
Slow down for the Familia DC who are up by 3 points. Chris Bocolano, Dandale, layup, no good.
Just misses that layup.
Julian.
Full head of steam here, Julian Caldejon.
Julian Caldejon.
What a
and
move
one!
from Julian Caldejon, the hoop in the heart.
Look at the Julian's mom flexing.
Julian Caldejon with a burst of emotion on that move.
Wow, here's your cable leg. Lakas move of the quarter.
Julian Caldejon.
Wow. Julian Caldejon with 18 big points. Buhat-buhat niya mundo for FABLLI New York.
Flex on him. Julian Caldejon.
Now we have a tie ball game at
This is the
60
most
apiece.
emotion I've seen Julian Caldejon play with.
Grabe.
It's amazing to see the future star
Yes, sir.
in the making.
Here is Kyle Sunga. Drives, kicks it out. Offensive
Oh
foul.
my goodness.
For
Shane
Kyle.
Lakindanum coming up big on the defensive end.
Yes, ang ganda ng defensive defensive sequence.
Julian Caldejon though. What a hooper.
Julian Caldejon with 19 big points.
And not too far behind, a surprising development here is Jefferson Miao.
Oh, pero wala. Dito ba siya? Yeah, andyan pa siya. Hindi pa siya nilalabas
Coming
si
up
Coach
big here
Mike.
for Familia DC.
Here is Julian again for three. Butter!
Julian Caldejon!
Butter!
Remember the name!
Julian!
Julian Caldejon!
Butter for Julian Caldejon!
Saan yung tinapay? Saan yung tinapay?
Ilabas nyo na ang tinapay para i-butter na dito. Here is Pineda.
Oh my
one-footer.
goodness! What a ball
Wow.
game! What a ball game!
We are having a 63 to 62 advantage.
goodness.
Timeout for...
Baka maitapon ko na yung upuan na to, Nix.
And again, magbabalik po ang SLA Junior World Showcase.
Sobrang bilis ba? Yan ang bilis ng FiberX. Yan ang internet.
We are now back once again to the ball game. We are live here in Sinag Liga Asya Junior World Showcase. Ang masasabi ko lang is grabe. Grabe.
Grabe talaga. You said it, Nico. What a ball game. If you're not tuning in, now's the time to do so.
For those who are watching at home or at work, I want to greet my mom and his friends and her friends. At Tita Lynn, and there's a 3-point attempt. It's no good. Technical foul for Julian Caldejon.
It's gonna be a flopping call on Julian Caldejon.
Yes. Grabe yun. Nagkaroon pa tayo ng technical foul.
So unfortunately, you cannot review foul calls.
Here's the replay. He may have a case.
Oh, in fairness, wala masyadong contact doon.
63 to 63 again. I am inviting everyone to watch the games live here in GUIAO Convention Center in San Fernando, Pampanga. Magbabalik po ulit ang Sinag Liga Asya Junior World Showcase.
J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized, quality printing. Makers of quality uniform. J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized, quality printing. Makers of quality uniform.
Just like that, Nico. 63 all.
Yes, 63 all. Grabe. Again, dun sa mga hindi nanonood dito sa live, pero nanonood sa live stream, kami po humihingi ng pasensya ni Martin sa pagsigaw namin. At hindi lang talaga namin makontain yung excitement namin. That's going to be a traveling for McLaren Latoga.
Wow, crucial turnover there for McLaren.
I want to greet my mom's friend, Tita Lynn and Tita Glad, watching. Kanina pa nanonood to mga to eh.
Hi, Tita.
Here's Speedy Jumper, no good. Here's Miko Armario.
Here comes Latoga.
Here's Latoga,
Open
dito
court.
delikado yan. Latoga, no good.
Great defense there by Julian Caldejon, just bothering that shot.
Yes, here's Julian now.
Here comes
Julian.
Getting into that mid-range.
Jumper, short.
Great defense there by Anthony Pineda.
Good save by Miko. Here's Speedy. Speedy jumper. Yes, sir.
Beautiful body control from Ethan Lacandanom, just stopping on a dime and raising up. Great move there by Ethan. Timely bucket.
Grabe.
Here comes Anthony Pineda rejecting the ball screen.
Pineda.
Mid-range pull-up.
No good.
He's cramping up again on that right leg.
Oh, ayan.
Offensive foul, I think, on Shane Lacandanom. They gotta be careful not to get a technical foul here.
65 to 63. FABLLI New York up by 2 points.
See this play here.
Ito
Shane
yung
Lacandanom.
Just protecting the ball. Oh, nauntog. Nauntog.
Definitely wasn't intentional though.
Yes, nauntog kay... At saka naman, in fairness naman dito sa FABLLI New York, they never... Parang hindi sila nagkaroon ng image na nagbabato ng siko,
I completely agree.
Throwing a punch.
Kung may most cordial team sa FABLLI New York yan, they've been so respectful of all the calls here so far.
And we have an official review.
What a ball game.
Yes, yun. Again, I want to thank the Sinag Liga Asya Junior World Showcase Delta Cup for giving us an opportunity to cover this kind of games. Maraming salamat po.
Maraming salamat po from the bottom of our hearts.
Yes, this is your official review. Dami po namin natutunan, lalo na dito sa FD namin, kay Ray.
Yeah, shout out to Ray, Direct Ray.
Ayan hindi naman sinasadya eh. Nauntog lang siya.
I don't think any malintentions here.
It's going to be, I think,
Offensive foul on number 4, Shane Lacandanom.
Yan. After the official review, it's offensive foul for Shane Lacandanom.
Let's see what Boholano does here from the baseline inbound. A crucial play here.
And surprisingly, wala si Kyle Sunga
Oo.
sa Familia DC. We got Anthony Pineda. Anthony Pineda for three. Butter!
Oh my! Anthony Pineda!
Anthony Pineda!
It's stone cold!
Did you see the celebration?
Anthony Pineda.
Parang gusto na sabihin niyo yung pangalan ko sa cover ngayon. Oh, what a great
Beautiful
pass!
dump-off pass. Ethan Lacandanum says, don't worry, I'm
Wow.
right here.
As calm as he gets.
What a ball game. Back and forth action between
Grabe.
both teams.
Hindi ako pwedeng hindi magpa-picture sa dalawang to mamaya. Anthony Pineda against Speedy. Here's Anthony.
Here's Anthony. I think he's going to look to score.
67 to 66. Here's Anthony again. No good.
Just misses it.
It's another foul on Shane Lacandanum.
A battle of the premier point guards here
Yes.
in Sinag Liga Asya Junior World Showcase. Amazing, amazing guard play that we're witnessing.
Hindi tayo nagkamali sa pinili nating matchup at the top of the coverage.
Oh, Anthony Pineda. We thought that he was out for the game, coming back, fighting cramps. He's cramping up again here. Yung mga burst ng speed ni Anthony Pineda.
I think there's a warning
Oh,
for...
baka ma-technical pa sila dito.
For continuous completing.
There's a technical foul? What? Oh my God.
What a development here. Technicals being called left and right at the end
Yeah.
of
There's
regulation.
McLaren. Free throw is good. Crucial yun.
What a big play here for Familia DC. And just like that, another deadlock in the first quarter,
Yes.
Nico.
Again, ulitin ko lang, itong game na to, if the winner will be the #1 in the team standings.
Knockout play by Familia DC.
Yes.
Meow coming up big again.
Oo.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, with 17 points. Grabe. Ano ang magiging response ni
Jefferson Meow.
FABLLI, New York?
After the ball screen, just diving to the hoop. He's come up so big
Yes.
for Familia DC.
Buti na lang, walang foul si Nico Romario.
Oo.
Hindi.
Look at Meow, just hype.
Yes. Pagbabalik po ang inyong SLA Junior World Showcase.
Sobrang bilis ba? Yan ang bilis ng FiberX. Yan ang internet.
Here's J Project. We would like to thank J Project Clothing Shop, the official sponsor of the Sinag Liga Asya Junior World Showcase. And we are back once again to the ball game. We got 1 minute and 24 seconds remaining. 67 to 69.
What a ball
Here
game
is
here.
Speedy Lau. Yes, sir!
Ethan Lacandanum. His heart is made of steel, folks.
Ethan Lacandanum.
Oh my goodness.
Against, here is the matchup of the day. There's a steal.
Ethan
for
Lacandanum.
Ethan.
Pushing pace
ayan.
here.
Nakita natin kung gaano ka-veteran si Ethan. Here's Ethan. Jumper.
Signature pull-up. Tries to go off
good.
glass.
Ethan
Gets it
again.
back. Gives it up to Armario.
Oh, Mario losing it. Here's Villanueva. Yes,
What a
sir!
big shot by Villanueva.
Wow.
2-point lead here.
71 to 69.
2-point lead here.
Wow. Nakangiti na doon si Villanueva.
Oh my goodness, what a ball game. 2-point lead. Just
Here is
35 seconds left.
McLaren steps back. Here is Anthony. Shot back. Good defense. McLaren.
That's short. They're gonna have to foul here.
They got 3 seconds. Game time and shot clock.
Anthony's down, cramping up again. Anthony Pineda, a true warrior, battling through cramps.
Yeah. Grabe yung cramps na nakikita namin dito. Diretso-diretso yung paa eh.
Anthony Pineda, the true definition of a warrior here. The thing is,
ang hirap makabangon dyan eh.
Oo.
Pero that's his second time. I wanna acknowledge the presence of Coach Atoy Pangilinan, who's watching on the sideline.
Anthony Pineda.
Anthony Pineda.
Just a true warrior here, giving everything that he's got to the team.
Grabe. We got 22.2 seconds remaining. Julian
Crucial
Caldejon.
free throw there for Julian Caldejon.
The second free throw for Julian is good.
Ice in his veins, folks.
Yes, sir.
Julian Caldejon, Ethan Lacandanom, LCL, unfazed by the moment.
The Lacandanom cousins plus Julian finally having some space. 73-69 with 22.2 seconds remaining in the fourth and final quarter of your Sinag Liga Asya Junior World Showcase. Marami pang mangyayari dito. 22.2 seconds, madami pa to. Thoughts mo, Martin?
Oo, grabe. With 22 seconds left to go, they can get a quick bucket and then play the foul game. And if I were Familia DC, I wouldn't waste any time.
Anthony Pineda, you have my respect, brother.
Grabe.
Ay, nagka-cramp up pa rin ng legs nyo.
Anthony Pineda, just a true warrior for Familia DC.
Grabe. Woo!
Ang
ganda na laban.
We are just gifted by the basketball gods today. Oh my goodness.
Yes, sir.
What a ball game we have in store for you folks.
22.2 seconds remaining. We have 73-69. Ano ang response ng Familia Washington DC after losing their star point guard?
They need to get a quick bucket here.
Here is McLaren Latoga.
Great
Passing
defense by
to Kyle.
Caldejon.
Here's Kyle, jumper, short. And we have a rebound for...
Naku, nagka-cramps na rin dito si Kyle Sunga.
Oh.
If I were Kyle, I would have just taken it to the hole. But of course, fatigue settling in for Familia DC.
Oh, there's a foul on number 0.
It's gonna be 2 shots here for Shane.
2 shots. Malayo pa to. May 9 seconds pa. Pag nagmintis ang dalawang free throw to, may pag-asa pa ang ano.
The thing is though, when you get LCL on the line.
Yeah. And this is short
tough.
2 points. Here's Shane. Yes, sir!
You can just feel the composure radiating from the big 3 of FABLLI New York.
Again.
Just tried and battle tested.
Hindi sila talaga nag-rattle nung nalamangan sila. Second free throw is good for Shane. Wow.
Amazing.
9 seconds remaining for the Familia Washington DC. 73-69. And again, this is just the 4th game of 9 games. Or I think 8 games.
Wow.
Dito sa BREN GUIAO Convention Center.
Kita mo rin kahit si Coach Joby, relax lang siya eh.
Hindi sila na-rattle.
Hindi talaga.
Nung lumamang na I think 4 points ang Familia DC. Never ko nakita na parang nagsisihan sila, nagsigawan, wala. They kept on believing the process.
And to your point, Nico, that you made earlier in this game, the conditioning.
Yes.
Wala
Totoo
pa.
yan. Tingnan mo, eto, sasabihin ko on air. Tingnan mo si Speedy, si Ethan. Hindi umihinga sa bibig.
Oo.
Sa ilong humihinga, oh.
Ang dami na namumulikat
Dami
sa ano.
Si Bocolano nga, sa bibig na humihinga eh. Pero si Ethan, hindi humihinga.
Grabe.
Siguro mga 5 hours siguro mag-jogging to.
It's the preparation of FABLLI.
Yes,
amazing.
again. Doon papasok.
They need to get a quick one here. They need to get a quick one.
That's going to be a turnover for...
That might be enough for FABLLI
DC
to pull off the win here. That's going to be it.
4 seconds, and that's it.
What a ball game, Nico.
Wow, at the end of the 4th quarter, it is the 79-69 victory for the FABLLI New York as they now top the standings. Top 1 na po sila. And again, ang ganda ng laban.
What a ball game.
Yes. What a ball game for the final score is FABLLI New York 75, Pamilya Washington DC 69. Grabe. Grabe yan, Martin. Ano masasabi mo dun?
I mean, we were just gifted with such a beautiful ball game. FABLLI New York just coming up in the right moments.
Oo.
Napaka-compose nila, no, Nix?
Oo. Tsaka kitang-kita mo yung pagiging composed ng point guard nila na si Ethan. Eh.
Oo. And just an interesting storyline here. So, for those who just checked in, FABLLI New York and Pamilya DC, long matchup na to. Multiple years of going against each other.
Napakagandang laban. And again, let's turn it over to Francine, who has the player of the game.
I'm joined by Sinag, best player of the game from FABLLI New York, Julian Caldejon with 24 points, 5 rebounds, 2 assists, and 1 steal. Now, first of all, congrats on a 4-0 run. My question to you is the game was very close all throughout and especially intense in the last few seconds. How were you able to keep the composure and get the win?
To be honest, it's just the help of my teammates. They trust me with the ball, so I was in the position to make the right shots, and that's what I did. So thank you to all my teammates, bro, for putting their trust in me.
Now, is there anyone you would like to greet and thank?
Shout out to all my family in the U.S., New Jersey. Shout out to all my Husai family. I'm worldwide, baby.
Again, Julian Caldejon, our Sinag best player of the game. Now back to the panel.
I'm worldwide, baby. Come on,
Yes.
Julian Caldejon.
Alam na natin ngayon, si Julian Caldejon. Again, remember the name.
Just a true, pure scorer here for FABLLI New York. And such an exciting player to watch.
And again, we would like to thank, this is Nico Arsiaga. I am with adorable Martin Daes, and that's it. We still have another game, but for now, pagbabalik po. Coming right up is NYBL Boss League against the Pamilya DC for the 23 under. Yun po, maraming salamat. Good night. Solano with a shot fake.
What a shot.
It is Caldejon asking for a screen. Nico gives it.
That
Yes,
is
sir!
so tough.
And Suma passes to Grosso. One-hander is goal.
Beautiful shot.
25-6. Here is Julian again for 3.
Julian Caldejon!